Hello, welcome to our online learning resource for cello players. Today we're going to be learning Fiery Fiddler, which is one of your grade 1 pieces. We're going to do 3 lessons on this piece, but today we're going to focus on the first 8 bars, which is the first line of your music. We want to make sure that we're playing accurately, musically, and we're reading the notation. Okay, rock it on D. 1 on red, 3 on yellow, 4 on green, A string, 1 on red, 3 on yellow, 4 on green, 3 on yellow, 1 on red, open A, 4 on green, 3 on yellow, 1 on red, open D. Why not rewind and do it again? For our second warm-up, we're going to practice crossing strings between D and A. Okay, it's all about your chicken wing moving correctly. So I'm going to play a phrase 4 times and then I want you to copy. So I'll count myself in 2 bars. 1, 2, 1, 2. And now your turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. Please rewind and repeat again. We're now going to move on from that warm-up and we're going to swap the open Ds for the correct notes, which are F sharp, G, F sharp, and E. So I'm going to play it nice and steady, and then I want you to rewind this video and play along with me. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and. Okay, your turn to join in. Now, I'm sure you've noticed that the end of that first phrase of Fiery Fiddler doesn't end E, A, A, A. It actually ends E, A, B, A. Can you try and play that with me now? 1 and 2 and. Once more. 1 and 2 and. Okay, let's try and play the whole of that first phrase together. Okay, after 2 twos. 1, 2, 2, 2. The next 2 bars of music are exactly the same as the beginning. So you have F sharp, A, G, A. Just spend 20 seconds practicing that and then move on to the video, which will explain the following 2 bars of the phrase. The next bar of music is a little bit trickier than we've had before because we have to cross our strings a little bit quicker. because we're actually going F sharp A, and then E A, and then D A A A. Let's play it together. 1 and 2 and. And one more time. 1 and 2 and. If you want to do it again, just rewind and play along. On this page, you'll see our music written out for Fiery Fiddler. Now here there are 3 different coloured boxes highlighting some information that we need to understand. The first box is in red. Now this highlights 2/4. This is our time signature. It means 2 beats in every bar. The next one underneath is blue box. This is our dynamic marking, which is how loud to play. MF means mezzo forte or moderately loud. On the left-hand side of the page is a diagram of all the dynamic markings we might come across from very soft to very loud. Have a look at these and try and remember them for our next lesson. The final box is purple. This is our repeat mark. This means we repeat the whole passage. Okay, now it's time for you to practice what we've done so far. I'm going to play it through from the beginning. I want you to pause the video, practice by yourself, and when you feel confident, rewind the video and play along with me. Don't forget the repeats. Here we go. 1 and 2 and. Okay, it's your turn. Off you go.
Okay, it's now time to enter our cross-school challenge. Answer questions based on this video, find out if you were right, and score points for your school. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then you can find the link to the quiz in the description section below. If you're watching this video anywhere else, then you can click on the link and that will take you directly to the quiz. If you need to pause this video for more time, that's absolutely fine to do that. Your scores will be entered into the Nottingham Music Hub School scoreboard. Enjoy the quiz!
Well done in completing your first lesson on Fiery Fiddler. Today we looked at the first 8 bars of music, time signatures, dynamics, repeat markings, and string crossing. In the second lesson, we're going to look at the next 8 bars of music. We're going to focus on our descending D major scale. That means going down the scale. We're going to look at some new dynamic markings, and we're going to carry on practicing our string crossing. Don't forget, you can rewind this video at any time and practice anything that we've covered today.